Hi guys, everyone are asking how to chant using the Rudraksha Mala. Today I'll show you how. Just take the Rudraksha Mala and hold your Rudraksha Mala like this. See, this is Guru bead. You have to start counting from this bead. You should never touch Mala with this finger, index finger. You can either use this finger or the ring finger. Just hold it like this and start chanting from this. Take this as support. See, this is Guru bead. You are not going to start counting from this. You are leaving this and you are counting from this bead right after the Guru bead, like Om Namah Shivaya, 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 and you will be keep on going like this. And once if it reaches here, you are supposed to take this bead, Guru bead, after completing 108. You are going to place this on your third eye and completing that circle, and again you are holding it again and starting again if you want to continue. Thank you all.